Bakit biglang na-hype si Kaylan Chongson? Gaano ba siya kagaling mag-basketball?
As a coach, hindi lang tayo concerned sa mga winning plays, but pati sa safety at well-being ng mga players natin. That's why we only recommend equipment na affordable, effective, at safe para sa kanila.
Hi mga kabola, this is Coach R, your basketball analyst and sports equipment reviewer. These past few days, laman ng balita si Kaylan Chongson. Well, not because of basketball, but because of his involvement with our dear Ate Aya. First time yata na nag-intersect yung dalawang paborito natin, basketball and beanie. So, alam naman natin na ang bias natin si Ate Aya at si Mika. No? So, hindi lang naman ako, madaming mga fans na sila yung bias. No? It was reported na si Kaylan and Aya were apparently going out. No? But the recent days, it has been denied na friends lang sila. No? So let's give them the benefit of the doubt. Buhay nila yon, personal life nila yon. Wala naman tayong pakialam doon. No? But I also understand yung mga Blooms, they're just trying to protect Ate Aya. No? So let's give her some space. And yun nga, personal life niya yun. Let's just respect yung whatever's happening between them. No? But this vlog is not about Beanie Aya and Kaylan Chongson. It is about only Kaylan Chongson. Kasi nga, biglang na-hype yung pangalan ni Kaylan. Yung mga non-basketball viewers naman, hindi naman kilala si Kaylan. So, let's introduce or reintroduce Kaylan Chongson in his basketball world. In this report by our comebacking correspondent, Ate Jessie.
Hi, Coach R. Ate Jessie at your service again. Sige, let's get right into it. Kilalanin natin more itong man of the hour natin na si Kaylan Chongson. First thing na naisip ko, Coach, nung napanood ko si Kaylan, yung player comparison niya kay Mark Pingris. Pareho kasi ang haba. At more or less, ang laro nila, halos same din. Pareho ring tisoy, Coach. Si Kaylan ay 33 na ngayon. This May. So, veterano na yan. Kahit rookie pa lang sa PBA. Actually, nag-quit na ng basketball yan. Bago mag-pandemic. After niya maglaro sa Alab, Pilipinas, no? As in, bumalik na siya sa US para magtrabaho na lang doon. Pero siguro, hinanap ng katawan yung pro basketball, kaya rin siya bumalik. Si Kaylan ay lumaki at nag-aral sa California, tulad ng marami nating film dito sa atin. From Bonita High School sa Laverne, California, una siyang naglaro ng college sa Utah Valley sa NCAA Division 1 before transferring and spending several seasons. I think 4 seasons sa Division 2 school na Biola University. Coach, kung familiar sa iyo yung Biola or Biola, I don't know how to pronounce it, ay dahil dyan din galing yung isang magaling na film natin. Si Sol Mercado. Of course, mas matanda si Sol, no? Sa retired na si Sol ngayon. Si Kaylan played over 120 games for Biola with decent averages of 6.7 points, 4.1 rebounds, and 1.4 assists per game. His best year was his senior year, where he averaged 13.2 points and 6.2 rebounds. He also led the team in shooting with a 52.5% clip. So very efficient etong si Kaylan during college. Ang laro niya sa college, based on the tapes na napanood natin, or sa YouTube din, more on inside talaga. Dumadakdak pa nga yan most of the time sa mga tips niya, no? Siguro, Coach, later na lang niya develop yung 3-point skills niya na very deadly sa PBA ngayon. After his college, he went undrafted sa NBA, which led him to Asia. So he first suited up sa ABL for a team called Chongson. No pun intended, yun talaga, Chongson Kung Fu sa ABL. Then after a year, lipat siya sa Ala Pilipinas. Then, yun nga, tumigil siya ng 2 years, retire from basketball, pero bumalik din. And he resurfaced in the Taiwan T1 League for the Taiwan Leopards. Sabi nga niya sa mga interviews, dito raw bumalik yung confidence at passion niya sa laro. Then last year, alam ng lahat, na-draft yan, part of the top 10 sa PBA, where he continues to play for rain or shine. Off the court, nakita natin very down-to-earth, very approachable, nag-i-e-bike pa nga yan, pupunta sa venue, no? So ilan lang players ang makita mong ganyan, no? Kailan might not be the best player talent-wise, but he makes up for it through hard work and that never give up attitude, which will make him a special player for years to come. At 33, Kailan still has maybe 3 to 5 more good playing years, and we look forward to seeing him succeed more in the PBA with or without Bini Aya.